Okay, I am just going to be recording this first couple minutes introduction to today's lesson for the recorded Zoom since the film we are watching is in Canvas, so no need to duplicate that. But this is the American Creed film, and this is the one, I'll go ahead and share my screen so you can see what I'm talking about here. So can we see that? All right, let's see who we have here to admit. All right. Good morning, Yelena. So we are getting ready to watch the American Creed. So really watch it. You don't need to take notes because I just want you to absorb it. So sit back, grab you got your bottled water there. That's great. And keep in mind that this is you're using this to react and then do your own American Creed. So just really take in what everyone has to say. It's really looking at how people can come from different backgrounds and then still reach their goals. So with that, as I said, I'm going to stop the recording since the film will be in there. And if I can, I don't know that I can. Let's see, pause. Well, are you all seeing the little record button somewhere like you did the other day?
Yes.
Where do you see it? I mean, I see it blinking, but it doesn't. Oh, I hope I don't have to record this whole thing. Well, maybe we will be. Okay, no biggie. All right, so we're gonna get started on watching the film. And again, just keeping in mind that you're going to be reacting to this as you make your own American Creed for your next assignment. All right, can everyone see that film there? Okay. All right, here we go. Another resource there for you. I thought this was interesting. So if you're kind of struggling, like where do I begin? I mean, there's so many facets. Let's see, why is that not wanting to connect? Oh, come on. I'll go check on that. Maybe I have some setting on it. But anyway, what it is, it's like a starburst. It's called an identity chart. And it's like a little starburst. And it had, and you can just either print it or just copy it on your own piece of paper. But it helps you kind of find your own things, but your own interest and your own vision by putting it on paper. And then, oh, I need to wrap up here. And then here's the assignment. So now that you've watched the American Creed and heard what is yours, basically. Here are just some conversation starters. You do not have to answer those. Yes, sir, Gabriel.
This question applies to me. Do I need to come back to the 9 o'clock class or just the 10 o'clock class?
The 10 o'clock because we still had to wrap up that other part.
Okay.
You got an assignment there. Thank you for asking. So anyway, just look over that. Again, you don't have to answer these specifically. These are just conversation starters to help. I'm just trying to help you write your own. You're going to use a Google Doc. You're going to type up your own American Creed. I'm working on the rubric now, which will give you the criteria I'm looking for. But you're basically going to write like a one-page essay of what it means to you. So talk about you personally. There's no right or wrong answers. You're telling your story. So, and if you have more questions about that, you can check in with me tomorrow during office hours. So I'm running into our break time here. So let's come back at 25 after, since I went over, come back at 9:25 for the second block class. All righty? All right. We'll see you back here shortly.